It is very important to use a screwdriver correctly. Using one the wrong way can damage the screwdriver or strip the screw head. Follow these simple steps. Step number 1. Be sure to choose the right size and type of screwdriver for the screw head. In this example, we are using a Phillips head screw, so we will be using a Phillips head screwdriver. Position the screw perpendicular to your work. Apply firm, steady pressure to the screw head with the Phillips screwdriver and turn clockwise to tighten. Turning right is tight. To loosen the screw head, turn counterclockwise. Left is loose.